Xectiq Computer Education takes pride in its commitment to excellence and transparency. We are officially registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, affirming our dedication to legal and regulatory standards. Xectiq Computer Education, your gateway to affordable and flexible technology learning. We are committed to providing quality education, empowering individuals for success in the digital era. Our mission is to democratize access to high-quality technology education. We strive to empower individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Through affordable programs, flexible schedules, and innovative teaching methods, we are dedicated to fostering a community of lifelong learners ready to excel in the world of technology. Our vision at Xectiq Computer Education is to be a catalyst for positive change, where every individual has the opportunity to unlock their full potential through technology education. We aspire to be a recognized leader in providing accessible, affordable, and top-notch learning experiences, shaping a future where technology is a tool for empowerment and inclusivity. At Xectiq Computer Education, we take pride in our gentle and innovative teaching approaches. Our educators embrace advanced methods, infusing real-world context into lessons for an engaging and practical learning journey. Through hands-on projects, interactive simulations, and collaborative learning environments, we create a nurturing space where students gain both theoretical insights and valuable practical skills. Our state-of-the-art facilities and digital resources complement these efforts, ensuring a supportive and immersive educational experience that prepares students for success in the ever-evolving field of technology. Web Development Course. Master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for modern web development. Programming Course. Build a coding foundation with our diverse program. Certification courses. Elevate your career with certifications in cybersecurity, data science, and IT project management. Gain practical skills for a competitive edge. Features of our institute. Nominal fee. Flexible timing. Quality faculty. Scholarship. Verifiable certificates. Placement support. Skill development. Live WhatsApp support. We are recognized by government and an ISO certified institution, demonstrating our commitment to legal compliance, quality education, and professional standards. Enroll now to unlock affordable, flexible, and high-quality learning. Certification Program. Internship opportunity. Job opportunity. Affiliation and collaboration. Digital learning resources. Connect with Xectiq Computer Education. Have questions or ready to enroll? Reach out to us directly. Stay updated on news, events, and more by joining our social media community. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter for the latest updates, educational insights, and exciting opportunities. Your journey in technology starts with us. Contact us today and become part of our vibrant online community. You have given us your valuable time. Thank you. Ready for a tech adventure? Join us now and let's create success together.